So, hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikhil, Discover, Learn and Grow. So, this is the lecture 5, not lecture 6, it's the lecture 5. 1 minute, guys. Sorry for the inconvenience, but yep, lecture 5, not lecture 6. Yeah. So, hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikhil, Discover, Learn and Grow. So, in this particular video, we'll be learning about 4 C's of marketing mix. In the previous video, we have learned about 4 P's, right? Like in the lecture 4, we have learned about 4 P's of marketing mix. That is nothing but 4 P's are called as marketing mix. 4 P's of marketing, right? In this video, we'll be learning about 4 C's of marketing mix. 4 P's are from business perspective and 4 C's are from customer perspective, user centric. Let's see. Let's see the definition. Once, say 1 minute, guys. Yeah. So while the 4 P's, product, price, place, and promotion focus on business centric approach, right? This thinking 4 P's are used from the business perspective. We will be planning strategies and all these things from the business perspective. So we will be using 4 P's. The 4 C's of marketing shifts the focus to the customer's perspective. So we will be thinking from the customer's perspective too. Like, let's see what 4 C stands for. First C stands for customer. Second C stands for cost. Cost is nothing but the price. Convenience is nothing but the place. 4 C stands for third C stands for convenience and fourth C stands for communication. Let's see what is the similarities between 4 P's and 4 C's in the next slide. Yeah, proposed by Robert F. Lauterbach in 1990, the 4 C's model helps businesses create a marketing strategies that prioritize customer needs. So, not only build the strategies keeping business in the mind, but also build the strategies keeping customers in the mind. That is the agenda of 4 C's. Let's see. So, yeah, 4 C's model helps a business create marketing strategies that prioritize customer needs, right? We will be keeping customers in the mind, and we will be building the strategies to making it more relevant to today's customer driven market, right? Let's see. So customer replaces product, right? He will be replacing product from the 4 P's, right? So customer will be replacing product. Definition focuses on understanding and fulfilling the needs, preferences, and desires of the customer rather than just selling a product, right? So we will be understanding and we will be fulfilling the needs, preferences, desires of the customer by building the product what they want. So, as simple as that. Key considerations: customer research to understand pain points. We will be doing customer research before building the product to understand their problems and pain points. Pain points are nothing but problems only. Customization and personalization of the products based upon the user research. We will be building the product based upon the market research. Delivering value rather than pushing futures, right? If you build the best of the best futures, best of the best product, but if it is of no use to the customer, then it is utterly failed product, right? It should solve the problems of the customer. It should solve the problems and pain points of the customer. Then only it is called as the best product. And the third point says that only delivering value rather than just pushing futures. Don't build the futures which customer don't want, which are unnecessary. Just to build the futures which are needed, which are wants and demands of the customers. Correct. Example: Netflix curates personalized recommendations. So based on market research and data analytics only, it can give personalized recommendations based on user behavior. As I said, it can based on user behavior, customer research, ensuring customer satisfaction, right? If you give the personal and customized recommendations, it builds the what you can say builds the brand loyalty. Builds the customer satisfaction, and it results in customer retention. So think from the customer perspective too. Don't build the product just as it is, but think from the customer perspective too. That is nothing but first C of forces. Second C is cost. Considers the total cost to the customer, not just the price of the product. This includes financial time, effort, and psychological costs, right? So consider the cost from the perspective of the customer, not only the price, but also consider the cost, financial cost, time cost, effort cost. What is the effort he is putting to buy our product, to research our product? What are the psychological costs? Karthik? So key considerations: customer evaluate value over just price, right? So value is greater than price, right? Hidden costs like maintenance, subscription, and time spent learning a product, right? So they will be spending some time, right? Some time and all. So to learn the product, we have to consider that also. We have to key considerations. We have to consider that also. Competitive pricing balanced with perceived value. So next is example. Apple iPhones are expensive but justified by brand loyalty, right? So it is considering the cost factor too, not only the price, but it also considering the cost factor. That is what value it is providing to the customers. What is the cost they are incurring, and what is the value benefits they are getting for that value, for that cost. If the values are greater than the price, then customers will be satisfied and retain. Like customer retention happens. Let's see the example. Apple's iPhones are expensive but justified by brand loyalty, ecosystem benefits, and long-term software support. Right. Next is convenience. It is replaced by place. Right. So ensures that product services are easily accessible to customers, whether online or offline. So place is nothing but from the business perspective, where I have to place my product, where I have to position my product, in online or offline. Convenience is nothing but a thing from the customer's perspective, whether it is accessible to my customers or not. Whether online place is accessible to my customers or offline stores are accessible to my customer. You will be thinking from the perspective of the customers, right? Yeah, key consideration: seamless shopping integration. So that is nothing but a mobile apps. So build mobile apps and all. Fast delivery and easy returns, you can understand. Availability of customer support. So see, customer support also builds your customer retention, right? Satisfaction and all. Example: Amazon offers one day delivery, 24/7 customer support, easy returns, making it highly convenient for customers. As simple as that. Be convenient to your customers. Just not only make the strategy about the place, whether I have to place in online or offline, but be convenient to your customers. Even cost also. Don't keep the price based upon the business or the product, but also understand from the customer's perspective. And same comes to customer that replaces a product. Next is communication. Engages customers through meaningful interactions instead of one-way advertising. One-way advertising is nothing but you can say advertisements, but keep them interacting, keep them interested. Like take surveys or like do public relations with them. So think from the perspective of the customer too. The goal is to build a trusted relationships and brand loyalty. If there is two-way, what you can say, two-way advertising, there can be more brand loyalty, trust, relationships, and all those things. Key considerations: interactive marketing, social media, emails, live chats. Like interactive marketing होगा ना emails में, like if you give the email to them, they will reply. Live chats as well as social media. Like if you can message their social media, and they will be replying you, or they will be commenting you. They will be commenting on your particular post or something like that. So two-way interaction is better than one-way advertising. Customer feedback and engagement. So take customer feedback and engagement. Take customer feedback and keep them engaged, and do communication in this way from the perspective of customers, right? Storytelling instead of direct selling, right? So say the story to them. Say what are the benefits. Say the emotional things, what you can say. Say some story to them. Like don't sell just the products, but sell the emotion to them, right? So that is nothing but storytelling. Don't just directly sell the product. Sell the emotion, right? Yeah. See, big brands sell the emotions, not products. For example, let's take Apple. Apple sells a security, emotion, right? Let's take Samsung. Samsung sells camera, camera and all, not just a product. For example, if you are watching a cricket match, right? It is not selling cricket stadiums are not selling you the tickets, but they are selling the emotions of billions of people, millions of people who want to experience that emotions. So sell emotions, don't sell products, right? Yeah. So do storytelling. Example, Nike marketing isn't just about ads, it tells inspiring stories. I said you, it tells inspiring stories. It is selling emotions, right? It is not only just selling shoes or products, it is selling emotions through campaigns like Just to Do It. It is inspiring, right? Just to do it, maneto, like we will be feel inspiring, engaging with customers emotionally, as I said you before. So let's see the conclusion. The 4C's of marketing emphasizes customer satisfaction, seamless experience, and long-term relationships rather than just selling the products, right? 4 P's are nothing but 4 P's of marketing. We will be calling it as marketing mix to 4 P's of marketing mix. It is focused mainly on business centric approach. It is business centric approach. 4C's is nothing but 4C's are nothing but customer centric approach, right? They will be empathizing with the customer. You can say it as empathizing. They will be thinking from the perspective of the customer, right? So businesses today must align their strategies with customer needs to remain competitive. As simple as that, guys. You needs to understand the customer needs, and then you need to build the product, and then you need to sell. That's the only way you can remain competitive in the world. If you don't understand customer needs, and if you are selling the products which you want, then Tata bye bye. Okay, bro, bye. There we will be learning some more about marketing in the next video.